Hey everyone, Paula here. Today I want to talk to you about files. So your transactions in eZmax, how to access them, what's the information that you could find in here, and what do you do with that? So if we look at files, we see your listing, your deals, your refused offers, etc. So let's go right into the deals and we'll see these are your 3 active deals. If I go into it, I need to click and then it'll bring me right into the folder. I see, of course, the first thing I see is the address for the transaction, but then below I see different sections with different information. The first one are my documents. In this transaction, I see the 2 documents have been uploaded. I'm not going to go into the details as to how to do that because I will do a separate video later on. Comments. So this is a module that allows for a communication between the brokerage and the agents. Instead of having to text and to call and to email and to go via all the different communication methods that exist right now, well, why not keep it simple? Do it directly from eZmax within the transaction. So you're able to hit new comment and send a message to your agency. And they do the same. If there was a communication that had not been read, that was sent by the admin, you would see it right here and you'd be able to display and see the communication. Okay. Now, required documents, this is regarding, well, your required documents. So it's important to be compliant. It's important that your transactions have all the documents that are necessary. If something's missing and you want to make sure that you work on it and you upload the proper documents, you go into required documents, hit display, and you will see the different documents that are missing. Okay. Next, file notes. File notes over here, this is like a little post-it. So basically you're able to create a new note. And you can say, I want to be reminded tomorrow, so to call the lawyer, right? And then what's going to happen is that tomorrow you will receive a notification on your home page that when you click on it, it'll bring you back here and you'll see the note of whatever you want it to do today. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel that. As I scroll down, you'll see your buyer's information, all the contact information there. Transaction information, of course, all the important information, how much the sale was done for, what is the accepted offer date, what's the possession date, all the pertinent information. Your lawyers, you need to send something to your lawyers, you need to communicate something to those lawyers. You could click, because anything that's underlined in eZmax means that it's clickable. You could go to the actual profile and then send an email from there. The intention is always to minimize the number of tools and software that you need to use to work. We put everything in eZmax, so use it because it's really practical. If you have conditions to your transaction, you would see it here with the dates, the detailed commission, how the breakdown was done, any other income. So, if there were any referrals or anything else on that transaction, it would show up here. Your commission calculation. So once the brokerage closes and pays out this transaction, you would see everything over here. Okay, so you really see a lot of information on this page right here. Dive right in, give it a try. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.